Hey guys, what's happening? Matt here from MS Crew Review. This is mine and Megan's, also known as Megan S Games, joint channel. So we'll be reviewing some PC parts, as you can probably see from the table in front of me. So this will be all the components going into my first ever PC build that I'm going to build myself. So I'm just going to, in this video, it'll just be walking through all the components that are going in my PC. Yeah, and just a little talk about it. So hope you enjoy, and yeah, let's get into it. So first off, the CPU I'm going to be using for my PC is the Intel i7 9700K. So the K means it's unlocked, so I'll be able to overclock it when I want to in the future to get a bit more performance out of it. The reason I went with Intel is they're slightly better for gaming over AMD. I will be using the build for a bit of content creation as well and video editing, but the 8 cores in this CPU will be plenty for what I want, and it's obviously cheaper and easier to cool than going with the Intel i9 9900K, which is a bit over the top for what I need. So we'll be joining this with my motherboard, which is the ASUS ROG Maximus 11 Hero Wi-Fi. So one of ASUS's top of the range motherboards. So it's got 2 NVMe M.2 drive slots. We're only going to be using one for this build. And it's got 4 RAM slots, because as you can see from the front there, I'm going to be using 32 gigs of Corsair's RAM. So yeah, and it's got plenty of fan headers and all the connectors I need for this PC. So yeah, as I mentioned, we've got Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro in white, and as you can see by some of the other components, it's going to be a white PC build. So the case, everything's white in it apart from the motherboard, because I couldn't find a white motherboard that had all the connectors that I want. So yeah, but everything else will be white. So there's our RAM and there's our CPU as mentioned. For CPU cooling, we're going to be going with the Corsair H100i RGB Platinum in white again. So it's a 240mm radiator with 2 LL120 120mm fans on it. And again, I love RGB, so it's RGB for me. So accompanying this will be 4 more LL120 fans, so I'll have 6 in total in the case, which is the maximum I can fit in this case. So yeah, so we'll have 2 on the radiator, 3 at the front, pulling in air, and 1 at the back. So that's our fans again, RGB. So we've got the Corsair Commander Pro, which is their fan hub, and so you can fit up to 6 fans, I believe it is, in here, and plus 2 LED strips, which there, we've got the RGB LED lighting kit by Corsair. Corsair aren't sponsoring this video, but if they would like to send me some stuff, that would be muchly appreciated. So yeah, all of this will be connected, the strips and the fans will be connected to the Commander Pro, just to make it easier. And then we've got, for our storage, we've got 2 different Samsung SSDs. So we've got one Samsung 970 Evo Plus NVMe M.2, which is 250 gig. So this will be our boot drive. So we'll have So we'll have our operating system on here. So it'll mean our PC will boot nice and quick. And then we've got a 1TB 860 Evo, which will be our main storage drive. I was going to go with a hard drive, but I decided we'll just stick with this. And then in the future, once this is full, I'll then buy another SSD. I will, possibly a larger one or just an extra one. So yes, that's our storage. Operating system, Windows 10, just home 64-bit, boot USB. And then my favourite part, the graphics card. We've gone for the Gigabyte GeForce RTX 2070 Super. Absolutely beautiful looking GPU, again in white. Haven't decided whether to vertically mount it or horizontally mount it yet. We'll see. So yeah, just a awesome GPU, and it's got 3 cooling fans on the bottom, so plenty of cooling to keep our GPU cool when we're doing some gaming. And then the last thing that's on this table is the Corsair iCUE LS100. So I've got 2 of these, which is their starter kits. You get 2 450mm strips and 2 250mm strips. So these will be to go on the back of my monitor, and I got 2 packs because I'm going to have a dual monitor setup. So yeah, absolutely lovely RGBs, so easy to stick on. You've got little magnets you stick on with 3M tape to the back of your monitors, then magnetise the strips to them, done, plug it in, nice and easy. So yeah, as I say, 2 monitors, so I've got 2 kits, the other one's behind me. And then again, Corsair, because just for the ease of connecting everything together, all the RGB syncing up together, I can just use Corsair's iCUE software, which is easy to use, link everything up and make it look absolutely sweet. So powering the PC will be the Corsair RM750X. It's an 80 plus gold 750 watt power supply by Corsair. It comes with white cables to match the rest of the build, so it saves me having to buy some custom sleeve cables or just some extenders. It looks absolutely amazing in white. And it's got plenty of power at 750 watt, 12 o'clock CPU, just to power everything. So that's it for all these components. So all of this will be going inside the Corsair 275R Carbide case, which is again a white case, just a simple chassis with plenty of room for everything I need in it. And then accompanying that will be the Logitech G560 RGB speakers. So these are some of the best gaming speakers out there. So you've got the RGB lighting on them, which you can either sync to audio, so they sync with the audio and the RGB changes depending on the audio, or they've got the screen visualizer, so to make the experience more immersive, they RGB sync up to the colours on the screen, just to get you that more in the game feel. So yeah. So yeah, you get the 2 speakers and then the subwoofer as well. So that's going to be my PC build, guys. Yeah, just a little video going through the parts that will go in it. As I say, this will be the first PC I build myself. So yeah, so I think all in all came to about £2,000, I think the budget was for this PC. So yeah, it should be a pretty good high-end gaming PC. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoy. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and make sure you hit that bell icon to stay tuned of when the PC build video comes out, where we'll be putting all of this together and you can follow along and watch my first attempt at building a PC. So again, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.